And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called upon every citizen of the country and sent out an open invitation to visit the newly constructed Kartavya Path and the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. After inaugurating the Kartavya Path and unveiling the statue of Netaji yesterday, Modi said, "In the development of Kartavya Path, India of the future can be seen. Today, this new aura is visible everywhere. It is the aura of confidence of New India," he said. He added that the energy of the Kartavya Path will give people a new vision and a new belief for India. The Prime Minister also mentioned the drone show based on the life of Netaji Subhash that will take place for the next 3 days.
हमारे उन नेताजी की भव्य प्रतिमा आज डिजिटल स्वरूप में इंडिया गेट के समीप स्थापित हो रही है। जल्द ही इस होलोग्राम प्रतिमा के स्थान पर ग्रेनाइट की विशाल प्रतिमा भी लगेगी।